Hi everyone, it's Sally, aka Crafting Gal Sal, and I just wanted to show you a cute little pocket that I made out of a 6" by 6" sheet of cardstock, pattern cardstock. And to hold it all together, I made this little belly band out of vellum, and I just adhered Velcro, some Velcro dots to it, and put a little embellishment on the front so it can come off just like that. And it says be creative. This is just a sticker, and you open it up. It's got, I guess, 4 pages, and each page is its own pocket. So there's a pocket here, a pocket right here, one here, and a pocket here. So anyway, at the beginning, you just open it up, and I kind of made it for in mind to mail out to one of my crafty friends. So it says glue and create, love this, create every day. It's got this background paper has some paints, and I just put a little flower there. And in this pocket, when you pull it out, I made a little vellum envelope and decorated the front of it. And inside, I just put a little envelope full of sequins. So there's that first pocket, and that just fits right down in here. And then the second pocket, I made a gift tag. It just says awesome, and I used a tag that I received as a gift in Happy Mail. So I'm using that and very much appreciating it as a gift. So now I'm passing it on to somebody else. And that goes down in that pocket. And then it says craft, and I just did some embellishments on both of these. And then here's another gift tag I made. This one just says happy day, and I punched out some little flower shapes with a punch and threw some little sayings on there. So another tag, and then the last pocket, basically I don't have anything inside the pocket except for the paper clip, and I have the part that I made sticking on the outside back of the little pocket letter. So anyway, and I decorated the outside back, and as you can see, the 6 by 6" was this plaid paper, and then I used some other paper from that same paper pad to embellish and decorate. So that's it, and to tie it back up, just slip this little belly band back on there, kind of hold it closed, and fasten it just like that. So it was a lot of fun to make, and I think I'll probably be making a tutorial on how to make one of these cute little pocket cards, so stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please leave me a comment in the space provided below. So until the next time, happy crafting!